welcome. Today's session will be about measurement. So let's first have a look at the learning goals for this learning unit. After we finished this part of the lecture, you should know a few things about measurement theory. That means you should know, understand, and be able to explain the relationship between, on the one hand, real-world phenomena, on the other hand, theoretical measurements, and thirdly, the measurements of these concepts related to the phenomena we want to study. And you should know, understand and be able to explain the different sources of measurement errors. So where errors in the measurement component here that kind of blurs our view of the theoretical concepts and the real phenomena come from. You should know and understand and be able to explain the difference between systematic errors on the one hand and random errors on the other hand. Then you should have some practical knowledge about the creation of measurement instruments. You should be able to create measurement instruments with an eye on securing high validity. That means you also need to know what validity is and constitutes, and find ways to improve validity in case your validity testing displays some validity problems with your measurement. Okay, and then of course you need ways of testing and checking measurement validity if you are supposed to create high validity measurement instruments. So you should know, understand, and be able to explain what the criteria are that are commonly used to assess validity. So how can we break down validity into better usable components that are not as complex and multifaceted? And why are these criteria helpful in establishing validity, allowing you to assess validity better? And then we will take a departure from quantitative data that a lot of the lecture focuses on, and look at how we can think of the quality of qualitative data and how it can be assessed, and given its different approaches and purposes, that needs to be something fundamentally or not so fundamentally different to what we have from quantitative research. Okay, and you should be able to practically test the validity of your own data in an appropriate way that makes sense in your context. Assess the validity and validity testing as you can see it in research publications, or also be aware of where validity problems may be hidden because there is a lack of transparency. That's also something you can see in research publications. You can be critical about the information you get about the validity of something. Okay, and finally, you should come forward, or should acquire the skill to describe measurement instruments that you use in your design, and give all the information we need to know about their validity. So that's about your writing skills.